Okay, go. Check. Hello everyone, welcome to the OneClass channel. My name is Andrew and I'm currently doing stats and math at University of Toronto. Today we'll be going over some commonly asked math questions at both the high school and college levels. If you need some homework, help, or tutoring, please check out the link in the description below. Okay, so now let's start our session. Okay, so the first question is asking us, what is the derivative of fx is equal to tangent x? Okay. Okay, so first, to find the derivative of fx, we will have to equal the function to y, which is something look like this. So y is equal to fx is equal to tangent x inverse. Since arctan is the inverse of the tangent, so we can express the above equation as x is equal to tangent y. Okay. And now get the derivative of both sides of the equation with respect to x. We will have dx 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 tangent y. And dx over dx, it's just going to be 1. And that's going to be equal to d dx tangent y. Okay? And now we need to apply the chain rule for derivatives. Apply the chain rule for derivatives. So we will have 1 is equal to d dy tangent y times dy dx. Okay, and 1 is equal to secant y squared times dy dx. Okay, and now we need to dividing both sides of the equation by secant x squared. So dividing both sides of the equation by secant x squared. So we will have 1 over secant y squared will be equal to secant y squared over secant y squared times dy dx. Okay, so we have 1 over secant y squared is equal to dy dx. Since this part just cancelled out, which is with each other. Okay, and then we need to substituting y is equal to tangent x inverse in the equation. So we will have dx tangent negative 1x is equal to 1 over secant y squared. Okay, and now using the substitution value, using x is equal to tangent y, we can rewrite the Pythagorean theorem, which is tangent y squared plus 1 is equal to secant y squared, as x squared plus 1 is equal to secant y squared. And substituting the above expression in the equation, we will have derivative tangent x inverse is equal to 1 over secant y squared. Yep, and then we just need to substitute secant y squared into x squared plus 1. Okay, so that will give us x squared plus 1. All right. So that's what we have for this question. Oh, and we can write the conclusion. Therefore, the derivative of fx is equal to tangent x inverse is 1 over x squared plus 1. Okay, so now let's leave a comment there. So, oops, solution is correct. Well done.